Transitions can be challenging, but it's time to focus our minds and prepare our bodies for learning. We know this is not always easy. When the body wants to play, breath and purposeful movement can help us transition to focused learning. Let's begin. This practice will be done in your chair. Take your seat. We'll sit towards the edge of your seat with your spine long. Press down through both of your feet if possible, and bring your hands just in front of your shoulders with the palms facing forward. We'll begin to press one hand forward, almost like you're pushing a heavy boulder up a hill. There's pressure there. Now change sides. So you're working to press the hands as you draw the opposite elbow back. We can increase the pace just a little, but not to the point that it's fast. If you'd like to try it, you could breathe out each time you press a hand forward. It would look something like this. Beautiful. Reach your arms up towards the ceiling, and then interlace your hands. Lay them just on top of your head. Elbows wide. We'll press your hands down into your head, but at the same time, press your head back into your hands. There's that pressure again. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. From here, bring your fingers to your earlobes. That's the very bottoms of your ears. Again, apply a little bit of pressure and make some circles. It's a little massage. Now this should feel good. Let's spend a couple of seconds here on the ears, and then bring your fingers right beside the ears, moving now down the jawline and massaging the face. Again, this should feel good, so apply the right amount of pressure for you. When we get down to the chin, we'll again just move to the sides of the neck, making some small circles there and using a pressure that feels nice. Lay one hand over the heart and then the other. We'll take a nice deep breath in and breathe out. Bring your hands down to your legs and scrunch up your whole face. So you are squeezing, tensing, and tightening all the muscles of your face towards your nose. It'll look something like this. Squeeze it really tight and hold it for 3. Now open your eyes wide, stick out your tongue. Now put all that back in and make a few big circles with your jaw, almost like you're a cow chomping on grass. Let's take a couple the opposite way. Good. Cross the hands at your heart. The thumb tips touch. They look like a little butterfly. Lay them there and start to tap. One hand and then the other. The pace of this is up to you. It settles the nervous system, signals the mind and the brain it's time for learning, and that you are beautiful here and safe.